So I realize that I should have done a total before, but I really just wanted to start cleaning my space. And you might be wondering, why are you vacuuming this way? And it's because I'm trying to get all of the paint chips that have been falling from the ceiling on this outdoor space. And as you watch, this is about an hour's worth of cleaning, condensed down into a minute and a half. As many of you neurospicy folks know, there's a lot of standing around and thinking to oneself, what am I going to do next? How do I want to approach this massive undertaking? So I decided to prioritize. I knew I needed to get the leaves out of the space, and that meant I also needed to vacuum and get the paint chips off of the floor because I don't want them ending up outside. And primarily, for environmental reasons. And it's something I think the chickens would be intrigued to eat, and I don't want that either. Not perfect, but perfection. I need to vacuum right there. Perfection is not the point. The point is better than it was. And this is a lot better than it was. What was the point of my cleaning today? And that's actually pretty simple. It was to, start clearing out the space. There's two niyamas that are important in yoga philosophy, and that's Saucha, which is purity of the mind and body, but we extend that to our spaces as well. And then there's Santosha, which is contentment. And I kind of interpret that as well as extending to the idea that nothing's ever going to be perfect, so we have to be happy with what we have. But we can always strive for good, better, and best. And so today, I spent about an hour cleaning up this is my yoga studio in my office. This is where I do my coaching work. This is where I do my yoga practice for personal and for clients. So, it's been like the messiness has been encroaching for a while, and on film, on camera, you can hide it pretty well, but there is a reality that nothing is perfect. We get to curate what we show the world, and so today I wanted to show you that things are not perfect here in my home either. So be kind and gentle with yourself. And so for our physical yoga practice today, we're just going to do 5 breaths and 3 sun salutations and finish with Shavasana. So 5 deep breaths. We're going to connect mind, body to the earth. Inhale and exhale. Acknowledge your connection with the earth, the physical realm. And exhale, connect mind and body sun salutations. My body is not ready for that. But you're going to be modified to start getting back used to doing a more physical version of yoga. I typically do restorative. I'm going to start with a very quick little warm up. I plant my hands on the earth. Rock the hips back and forth. And I hope you're doing this with me. And inhale. And let's round the spine. On the exhale. Inhale. Flatten the back. Exhale. Lift the hips. Lift the heart. Inhale. Flatten the spine. Exhale. Round the back. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale, tilt the hips up, lift the heart up. Inhale, back to center. Exhale. Inhale, look to the left foot. Exhale. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale, look at the right foot. Feel that side body stretch. Inhale, come back to center. Once more on each side. Exhale, look at the left foot. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale, look at the right foot. Inhale, come back to center. Now for the last one, we're going to lift our arm up here. Inhale, exhale, thread the needle gently as far as your body wants to go. Giving a slight twist to the spine now. Inhale and exhale, release. Inhale, let's do the left side, lift up. And exhale, thread the needle. We're going to reach forward and as far as your body wants to go. Inhale, exhale, release. One more time each side. Inhale and exhale. Release, threading the needle. Giving a nice twist to our side body. Inhale and exhale to release. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, thread the needle. Inhale again. Exhale, release. So from here, we're back in neutral. I'm going to step my right foot up to my right hand. And I'm going to step my left foot up to my left hand. Drop the head. Gently roll the body up. Rotate the shoulders back. Now we're going to spread our toes as wide as we can. Inhale and exhale. Notice the head in alignment with the shoulders, in alignment with the hips, in alignment with the feet. Make adjustments if you need to. That can mean tilting your pelvis forward, drawing the belly button in, rotating the shoulders back. Whatever feels natural and helps you to have that nice alignment that is correct for your body. Inhale here. And exhale. Inhale, lift the arms up overhead. Exhale, rotate the arms outward and move forward, fold. Inhale here. Feel the stretch in the back of the legs. Exhale. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale. Rotate the shoulders back. Find your alignment again. Take a moment. Inhale. Exhale. Feel yourself balanced in your body. Inhale. Lift the arms up. Exhale. Rotate the arms out. Dive forward into your forward fold. Stay here for one. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale, forward fold. Here for one. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. Exhale, roll up. Readjust, find your alignment. Rotate the shoulders back. Again, tilt the pelvis forward if that's right and comfortable in your body. Draw the belly button in to give yourself some nice core work. Inhale. Exhale, lift the arms up. Oh, let me do that again. I was backwards. Inhale. Lifting the arms up. Exhale, rotate the arms out and forward fold, diving down. And let me show you real quickly, if you need to lift the floor up to you, you can use a block or a bolster. Otherwise, you can keep a gentle bend in your knees if that feels good and comfortable. Drop the head, inhale here, and exhale. Inhale, lift. Halfway lift. Back is straight. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Drop down. Inhale here for one. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Spine up. And readjust. Find that center. Bring your hands into prayer. Bend the knees and drop yourself down so that your hands, you're kind of in garland pose. And then we're going to just kind of walk forward, drop our knees, gently readjust. And we're going to go down to lying on our back. And we're going to go into Shavasana. And do 10 breaths for Shavasana. Comfortable place for your hands. They can be on your belly, heart and belly, hands down to ground, hands up to make yourself feel to the universe. Usually this feels really good in my body today. Inhale here. We're going to do 10 inhale, exhale breaths. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. side, roll the shoulders over, and then gently, so you don't get dizzy if you're prone to that, walk yourself up. And we'll bring our hands into prayer, sitting here in easy pose together. The light in me honors the light in you. Namaste. Thank you for joining me for day 1. Have a great rest of your day. Not a bad 15-minute practice, if I do say so myself.